YouTube, Eric DIY with another video review for you. Today we're going to review the Easthills Outdoors Easy Up Beach Tent Sun Shelter, the Lite version. It comes in a great carrying case. It has a drawstring right here. We have the main storage bag here. It has directions on the inside for setting this up. It comes with a bag of stakes right here, and this is the main tent right here, the sunshade. Comes bundled up with a cord around it. So to set up the tent is pretty simple. It comes like this. You have an elastic band. You just gotta take it off. The next step is to put it flat down in the center and just open it all up. You're gonna take the top and spread it out as much as you can. So you're gonna find the back of the tent, stand behind it, and open this up. And finally, you have two ropes on top. You're just gonna take those, pull them sideways apart so the tent opens all the way with a click, and then tie the two top straps like you would a shoelace. And as you can see, it's pretty much built. You just have to secure it down to wherever you're setting it up. After you have it expanded all the way out, you have to grab the little bag that comes in the big bag, which is the stake bag, to stick it down to the ground or in the beach in the sand. They're these yellow stakes. I'm going to put them in. There's 4 places to put them, so I'm going to take you with me as I stake the tent in the ground. So as you can see at the foot here, they have where the rod of the tent comes down, and they have these ropes. That's where you're going to stake it down. You're just going to put the stake in the ground, and you're going to hammer it down till it grabs onto that. And there's 4 of them in the tent. And then we have another one back in the back here. Again, just put another stake in it. We'll hammer them down after. And there's another stake right here in the back too. And then finally we have number 4, which is on the other side. So after you stake it down with the stakes, also know that if you're at the beach, they have sand pockets. One on the left, one in the rear, and one on the right. So you could actually also weigh it down with sand. Today we have Zach to help us show off the features of the tent. We have a storage pocket on the left. Thank you, Zach. We have a storage pocket on the right. And finally, right above Zach, we have a storage pocket up here for anything that you might want. Suntan lotion, cell phone, charging cables, battery chargers, whatever you need. So it comes with 3 convenient pockets to charge. It also has 2 windows, one on the left and one on the right. We actually rolled up the one on the left. Zach did an awesome job. Thank you so much, Zach. And point to the window, please. And you can see that it holds with these little tie clips on the top there. You just roll it right up, and this is what it looks like with the window down. And you could secure them to the sides to make them really tight by putting the clip right through this thing, and it'll tighten it up so that way the window will hold flush against the side. So Zach's taking a little nap, but I just wanted to tell you what the difference was between the Lite version and the regular, which we will review in another video. I'll leave a link to that in the description below if you'd like to see the regular version. But this one does not have an extended front little porch area for the beach. It just has the tent itself, and that's it. With no front porch though, it makes it a little more portable because it only weighs 5 pounds and it's basically made out of the same materials. So to take out the tent, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the 4 stakes. I'm just going to pull one out right here. Pulling out the stakes. It's 1, and there's another 3 to go. Just go around the tent. So to take it down, we took out the stakes, and then finally, the next step is to untie the top, which is just to keep it secure. Next step is to get from behind the tent. You're going to grab her on the top. There are going to be 2 little red stickers that say push down. You're going to put your thumbs there, push down on your thumbs, and it'll pop right down. The last couple steps is just to take this, put this in the middle of the tent, and you're going to fold up all the legs. So you have it in the bundle like this. You're going to roll it to as small a package as possible. You don't have to worry particularly about folding. And then you got to take the supplied band they give you and just wrap it around. Then you got to take your storage bag and just place it right in there. Wrap the bag around the tent. Take your small bag of stakes, put it right in there, and tie it up, and you have it conveniently ready to transport or even store in your car. And that is my review of the Easthills Outdoors Easy Up Beach Tent sun shelter, the Lite version. It's quick, it's portable, it's only 5 pounds. It'll go anywhere you need it to go. If you're having a picnic, you're going to fly kites like Zach and I do, hopefully we'll take some video of that this summer. It's going to be an excellent shelter to have. And also, Upf Sun Protection of 50 plus. Can't go wrong with that. It says it's made for 2 people, and it is the smaller Lite version, so I would say that that's pretty true. The weight's only 5 pounds. You can carry it anywhere you have to go. Excellent for a quick little, just throw it in the car and let's go to the beach or picnic. So, if you'd like to purchase your Easthills Outdoors Easy Up Beach Tent Lite version, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We always like to see new subscribers. And as always, thanks and have a nice day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.